Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting Nasm and a plain text editor on Windows 10. This is essential. Install the Nasm binary, then add its folder to path so the terminal finds Nasm. exe. Create a minimal file hello. ASM and decide 32-bit versus 64-bit output because that determines your assembler flags. Once done, open PowerShell or command prompt in the file folder. Make sure you can run Nasm v to confirm installation before moving on. Now you assemble and link. Run Nasm with fwin32 or fwin64 depending on your target. That creates an object file, hello. Obj. Next, link that object to produce an executable. Use GoLink, LD from MinGW or link. exe from Visual Studio Tools. Each tool expects slightly different directives, so pick one and adapt your commands. For example, GCC can wrap linking, GCC hello. Objo hello. exe. Once linked, check the file size and run it from the command line to test behavior. Finally, run your executable in command prompt or PowerShell and observe output and exit code. If it fails, enable verbose flags for Nasm and your linker to get detailed messages, because those tell you whether symbols, sections, or calling conventions are wrong. Make sure your sections, text, data, externs, and entry point match the linker's expectations. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing runs, verify you assembled for the right architecture. x64 code won't run as a 32-bit process, and vice versa.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.